Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be making signs. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull down this default cube right here and just scale it up so it kind of makes a nice little wall for us to begin with. We'll go with G and bring this up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to EV and change it to cycles. Alright, so if we take the light out of our little scene right here and we go ahead and we can add text. So the text will appear right at the bottom right here. We're going to go with G, bring this up, and then what I'm going to do is alpha rotate, bring it round by 90 degrees, and then we'll do alpha rotate and bring this up by 90 degrees as well. So let's go with S for scale, G to bring this to the side. And we're just going to make a restroom sign. So let's go with G, bring this forward. Let's go with edit. And we're just going to go ahead and type in restroom. So once we've got something like this, let's go ahead and we'll go to the A at the side, which is the data tab. You can go ahead and change the font on this, which is just the little file next to regular. It will pop up with this huge catalogue of different fonts that you can do. And you just go ahead and choose a font out of any of these. So I'm just looking at mine at the moment. It unfortunately doesn't pop up on the screen recorder. So we can go with this kind of one. S for scale, restroom kind of thing. You want to go to geometry and just improve slightly the offsets. Maybe don't just make it go everywhere, but extrude this as well. So now we can see that we have restroom written right here. So we don't currently have any light within the scene, so I'm going to go ahead and add in a cylinder. Let's go with alpha rotate at 90 degrees. S for scale, bring this down. S for scale, bring this across, so you've got this nice little lights going on here. And then we'll just kind of bring this outwards as such. So what you want to do is make sure that this is relatively the size of the restroom sign right here. Just go ahead and press G and move it across if it's not quite in the right position. And then we'll go ahead and add in a cube. G to bring this up. S for scale to bring this across. And then what I'm going to do is scale it down. G to go forward with this. As such. S to scale outwards. And all we're going to do is go to edit mode. You want to go Control R. So you're loop cutting that in the middle just there. E for extrude on the first face, just above. And then what we're going to do is place the light inside. So we'll go with G, bring this down. You can go with X-ray on this if you can't see it. So let's go S for scale and just go ahead and make sure that that sits and fits on the inside of the sign just there. Now you might want to go ahead and take these two and just go S for scale and just bring them outwards a little bit. So what we'll have when we go to render this is we'll have this kind of restroom sign coming here. You're going to want to click the cylinder on the inside just here. Let's go with material, new. Change out the principal BSDF to an emission. This should happen where you get a nice little emission coming through. You can go with kind of like a pink or a purple, say ladies or whatever like that. We could go ahead and turn this up. So now we have this nice little pink coming from here. What I'm going to do is let's take both of these right here that we have using shift. We're going to go with shift D, bring this down. Alpha rotate, and you want to go ahead and rotate this by 180. So now the restroom looks like this. You have pink coming from each side. We'll take the little emission from the bottom right here. We're going to go and change this to blue. So go ahead and duplicate the material. And this should come up with material 002, and then we'll change this to blue on the base. Now with this background here, we could go ahead and change this to a black so that these colours are a little bit more prominent. You can go ahead and turn up the roughness or turn it down, depending on your preference. To be honest with you, I would turn up the roughness because it kind of pushes the colour tones outwards just a little bit more. This restroom, I'm going to go ahead and take this. Let's press G. Bring this up. Whoops. I'm just going to go S for scale. I'll go down just here. I'm going to change the top and the bottom light holders, if you want to call them that, into the black material that we have at the back. As such. So now we have this nice little restroom sign going on. We could also change the restroom to a gold. Maybe we could go with metallic, bring that up. And just kind of change that to a nice little gold orange kind of tone. Take that roughness down so it shines a little bit better. And obviously you would have lighting in the rest of the room coming around. Excuse me, on this side. So, yeah, I think I would go with something like that. So if we had like an external light, for example, if we just used a plane for this, go ahead and bring this up and across. Change this to an emission from Principal BSDF. And then this could be like external lighting and stuff in the restaurant or something. So, yeah, restrooms. Nice blue, nice pink. You could go ahead and turn the pink up, turn the blue up, do whatever you'd like with it. So if we just go ahead, oops. Let's go to the pink real quick. And we can kind of bring this up to like in the 50s or something like that. So it's kind of a little bit stronger. So it kind of offsets that blue a little bit, and then the blue just kind of complements it. To be honest with you, you could probably change the text type on this to something a little bit more appropriate if you wanted to. So let's go and change that text type real quick. Should we try this one? Or is that too much? That's a little too much, isn't it? That's terrible for a bathroom. Let's go with just trying to see here. We got S4. Oh, right, okay, never mind. Let's not go with S4. We can't read it. I'm guessing that my computer can't generate whatever text type that is. Let's see. You could go with something like this if it was kind of like a sci-fi kind of look, but even that's not working. Why are you not working? Alright, let's try this one. Arctic regular. That! I like that. I like that. Let's go ahead with that one. I think, yeah, so this is our antic font. Yeah, antic font. That's a mouthful. Antic font regular. So the restroom sign right there. Let's go with G and bring this back. Set that back into the wall a little bit more. It should be restrooms, not like restroom. Let's go restrooms. Or you could do it restroom if you wanted to, but up to you. Maybe it's one of those what do you call it? Oh, for both men and women. I don't know what you call it. Unisex. That's what I was going for. Yeah. So I kind of like that one. Totally up to you what you want to do with it. You could add some like gold accents or something around the edge. But yeah, for basic restroom sign, pink and blue, standard, whatever. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.